Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Dayat. Nice to meet you all. In this morning, I want to presentation my hair exam active listening skill, and this presentation will be 5 parts. Okay, here we go. The first is the first part with the title How to Learn Anything in 20 Hours. Okay. Debunking the 10,000 hour rule, Josh Kaufman addressed the widespread misconception popularized by Malcolm Gladwell. The mastering any skill requires 10,000 hours. He clarifies that the rule originated from Key Anders Ericsson's studies on experts ultra-competitive performance such as professional athletes or grandmaster chess players, not general learning. The power of 20 hours. Kaufman explained the cognitive learning curve. While starting a new skill, a person goes from gross incompetence to reasonable proficiency very quickly with minimal practice. He asserted that anyone can learn any new skill, whether playing an instrument, speaking a language, or drawing, with just 20 hours of focused durable practice, likely 45 minutes a day for a month. The 4-step rapid skill acquisition method. Deconstruct the skill breakdown. The overall objective into smaller manageable sub-skills so you can practice the most important parts first. Okay, learn enough to self-correct. Gather 3 to 5 results. Book courses each to use as a guide while practicing, rather than using them as a form of procrastination. Remove banner to practice. Okay, eliminate distractions such as television, the internet, and culture the maximize focus and willpower. Free commit to 20 hours, overcome the initial emotional barrier. The frustration of feeling stupid when you are a beginner. By committing it at first to practice for at least 20 hours. Okay, we move to second part with title What Makes You Special. Okay, here we go. The immigrant that the others experience. Journalist Mariana Aterizona recount her upbringing in Caracas, Venezuela, in the location Venezuela, and her father's unconventional decision to send her and her sister to summer camp in rural Minnesota starting at age 7. She shared the painful childhood experience of feeling like the other, being looked at as if from another planet because of cultural and language barrier. Later, as and staff moving from mainly to be United States, a refugee or immigrant, she faced familiar feelings. The major political shift like the 2016 election, uncovering blind spots and empathy. Attention reflect on her teenage year at boarding school in Connecticut, where she initially When she is initially dismissed, he roommate Fatima, from a Muslim girl from a Bahrain country, because she was shy and didn't attain the ideal more of popularity. She later realized how harmful it is to label and dehumanize people as the others. Two personal growth began for recognizing your own unique traits, which allow you appreciate what make others special. The other connection, attention, share a deeply personal trial when her sister suffered a severe car accident, then left her temporarily paralyzed and subject to public judgment based solely on her wheelchair. So, covering diverse communities as an NBC News journalist and enduring family hardship, she learned the disputes, external differences, psychic, psychical limitation, or cultural background. Everyone share a common core to human race. She urges audience to celebrate their quiet and practice humanism above all else. Okay, next part, the third part, with the title "It is okay to have a plan." Okay, Minia Parker described growing up to traditional middle-class Marathi family where the prescribed outcome for success was clear, grow up, graduate, and final a stable job. Her acting aspiration was initially initially met with hesitation because she lacked a role model or a clear structural path embracing uncertainty and building resilience, which volunteering at a theater festival during her mass media studies. Walker realized her true passion was storytelling and changed the acting woman facing constant rejection, which she compared to dealing with Mumbai Rickshaw driver who refused you multiple times before a soul agreed to take you home. This rejection built her resilience and taught her that while landing an offer is outside of your control or giving you best effort entirely within your power, the power of eternal, the power of internal and randomness. Lacking a master plan student ought to be advanced when he stumbled into the emerging world of web series. A spontaneous, unscripted video of her singing a song using plastic cups, the viral cup songs. Chance her carry overnight opening of global venue. Polka concluded that life cannot always be neatly scheduled. Trying it yourself into someone else more is like judging a fish by its ability to climb a tree. The key is to experiment fearlessly. Make yourself happy and embrace the randomness of life. Okay, fourth, the fourth part with the title How to Achieve Your Most Ambitious Goals. Here we go. The illusion of special talent. 7 Dudut open with a conceptual demonstration showing that anyone can replace a complex portrait. It is broken down into simple component squares. The same technique used by world-class artists like Chuck Close. Here goes the achieving massive goal is less about possessing magical talent and more about improving your decision-making process. He illustrates the using tennis champions Novak Djokovic, whose historic rise to world number one was driven by minor marginal improvement in his point-by-point decision success rate from 49% to 55%. Okay, transmission shock marginal adjustment, reflecting on his own life. Donner notes that he spent his schooling years as consistent C- student because he could not focus for more than 5 to 10 minutes in trying college instead of frequently he could suddenly focus for hours. He accepted his limitation and broke large achievement down into 5 to 10 minute micro text. Okay, interspersed with break, the marginal adjustment propelled him to strike a house, a top graduate program and successful career of as a global hedge fund manager and derivative trader, applying system personal ambition. Journal apply this exact methodology to achieve seemingly impossible personal milestones, such as mastering German in trial through communicating audio tapes, earning pilot and racing license, losing 50, 25 pounds by hiking, see 33 trails of Santa Barbara, and ultimately setting a Guinness record to the large orchestra. Granny Square took over half a million individual stages. Success is never about the mountain peak. It is about the correct decision made in mundane moment, such as putting down of your phone and walking outdoor. Okay, we move the last part with the title "What You Didn't Know About Language Banner." Okay, here we go. The innate human capacity for language represents Boremans highlight a starting biology fact. Any child born anywhere in the world is naturally capacity of learning any human language. Children exposed for language before the age of 7 of the critical age period acquire the effortlessly as a natural phenomenon, much like learning to walk. Linguistic relative how language snapshot. Pomeranz take flows to determine this theory of linguistic relative, which posits that the language you speak active shape your perception, influence your behavior, and limits or expand your memory. She not scientific students. She knows scientific studies showing how grammatical gender assessment affect how people describe objects. Example, German describe a key as heavy and strong, while West Japanese describe it as delicious and shiny. Furthermore, language level structure physiological memory bucket, influencing how to retrieve emotional experience and make everyday decisions, reducing social barrier through language education. because language barrier expose societal division. Fomorians argues that aggressively promoting foreign language study and bilingual education can help combat talk-based issues like racism, hate crime, and bullying. She highlighted practice initiative like bilingual kindergarten in Java, such as the Orchid of Abraham's children that use joint Arabic and Hebrew education to foster peace and consistency. Concluding with Helen Keller's realization that war gave him to talk, she emphasized that mastering multiple languages opened the door to deeper human empathy. Okay, this is last. Thank you for watching my presentation of her exam active listening skills. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.